Welcome back, everyone. I want to say thank you very much for watching my last video. And this is a quick video showing you how to make a deposit into Novatech using your Cash App. So, and if you find this video to be very helpful, give a thumbs up and let's get us started. So, first thing first, what you must do is you must log into your account. And right now, as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Next step is to click on menu. Then you will click on funding. You click on upgrade account. And once that is done, then you'll come directly here. Once you come into the register PAM section, you will change the one to the amount that you want to add. So I already know how much I'm already going to add. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to my trading balance already that I already have. So all I need is, I believe it was 92 to be honest. So I might just make it just 93. $93. Then click on add funds. And then once that is done, you'll change it from e-wallet to coin payment. And once you change it to coin payment, the reason why, because the money is being sent to the company from an external wallet, and the money is not coming from your e-wallet. That's the whole reason why you're changing it to coin payment. You click on the terms and conditions, click to validate, upgrade now, and once that is done, you come over to the next page. And now I want you guys to always remember where you guys are seeing where it says amount, the amount remaining, you see BTC amount. You always need to remember that, because you want to make sure that you're just selling a little bit more and not the exact amount of the BTC. So right now the BTC is saying 0.00151. Good. Now you're gonna copy the address. After you copy the address, now you'll be going over to your Bitcoin amount. Sorry, your Cash App. Sorry guys. Alright, now you go over to your Cash App. Then now in your Cash App, you will see how much Bitcoin you have. So in order to know that you're in Bitcoin, Bitcoin section is where in the top left corner where you see Bitcoin. That's now you're in the right place. So you click on the arrow where is right next to sell, this is buy, sell, and then the arrow. Click on the arrow. Then you're gonna type in. The amount that you want to send. So the Bitcoin amount was point. I'm gonna flip this over. So it's 0.00151. So you see now it's saying 92, but the amount that we put into Novatech was 93. Although there's two different ways you could do it. You could leave it like this, or just change the one and keep carrying it up. As you can see, it changes. So if you cut up a little bit more, just change to 5. Not too much. 4. All right, that's not bad. So this is the Bitcoin amount. If it was in the US dollars, you flip it over. The amount is a little different, so a little too high. That is 93, 93.1. You can leave as 94. This is also just as good if you want to do it in the reverse. But if you want to be exact, you can flip back over and remove all these zeros, remove all these numbers, sorry. Then you'll change it to like go up a little bit more. You put 4. Alright, good. Now it's 94. This is fine. This is fair. Then you click on send. Then you paste the address here. Then you click on the other address that is highlighted. You see it's in blue because in the top right corner you're seeing the next sign is not highlighted. So the moment you click on this one, then you see it shows up on top in blue. Then you see in the next symbol is highlighted. Good. Now you know that you're doing the right thing. You click on next. Then I always leave on the first option. Go within 10 minutes is fine. Who want to wait 2 hours and 24 hours? Really? Seriously? Anyway, next. Then you click on confirm, and you are done. And now, yes, it's still showing, as you can see, still 99, but the moment you come out and you should go back in, or you refresh the app, then you'll see it go back to the balance that you originally have, or whatever that you already used already. Then now you'll go to here, back to the site, and then you will see the site will change. And that's how you know that everything is confirmed and everything was able to receive. And then you receive an email from Novatech or from Coin Payment saying that the transaction was complete. And that is all, guys. That's all that you have to really have to do at the end of the day. So, and then you're all done. And then that's how you fund your account using your Cash App. Oh, but I didn't even add them. Oh well, I guess I'll do it next time. Next time I'll go at that. I think I'll try to buy it instead. I'll try to buy the funds in Cash App so this way you can see exactly. But don't worry, I'll leave it for another time. Alright, guys. So if we wait a little while longer, while we keep waiting here, then you will see that the here rate change from um, you watching this black and white square with the code, and you see it all change to saying paid. I guess that's when the blockchain is confirmed. You keep refreshing, and hopefully it should change, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, guys. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment. Make sure it's positive. Alright, guys. But nevertheless, if you guys need me to do any other videos, of course, feel free to suggest anything down in the comment below, and then I will post it as quick as I can. Alright, guys, and thank you very much. Alright, guys, see you on the next video.